Join me as I challenge myself to explore and rate the most stunning beaches of 2025 before they even happen. In this exciting journey, you'll get to explore the most stunning beaches of 2025, showcasing their unique beauty and allure. Get ready to discover hidden gems and breathtaking destinations that will leave you speechless. Many travelers struggle to find lesser-known beaches that offer pristine beauty and fewer crowds. This video aims to solve that problem. We've all been there, searching for that perfect beach getaway, only to find crowded and overhyped spots. But what if I told you that there are still some untouched paradise beaches out there waiting to be explored? The quest for the perfect beach can be overwhelming with so many options to choose from. That's why I've taken it upon myself to scour the globe and find the most stunning beaches of 2025. From secluded coves to expansive coastlines, I'll be sharing my top picks with you. Whether you're a beach bum, a travel enthusiast, or just looking for some inspiration for your next vacation, this video is for you. I'll be sharing my insider knowledge on the best beaches to visit in 2025, so you can plan your trip with confidence. You'll delve into each beach, discussing its features, location, and what makes it stand out, including activities and local culture. Let's start with the breathtaking beaches of Bora Bora, where crystal clear waters meet overwater bungalows. This tiny South Pacific island is a haven for snorkelers and scuba divers, with an array of marine life to discover. The picturesque beaches of Santorini, Greece, are another highlight, with their whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches. Visitors can enjoy a romantic sunset dinner or explore the island's winding cobblestone streets. Then there's the stunning coastline of Costa Rica, where lush rainforests meet pristine beaches. The highlight of the video will be the reveal of the top-rated beach of 2025, complete with breathtaking visuals and personal anecdotes. After careful consideration, I'm excited to share my top pick, the incredible beach of the Maldives. Imagine waking up to crystal clear waters, pristine white sand, and a stunning coral reef. This beach stands out for its incredible snorkeling and diving opportunities, as well as its luxurious resorts. I've had the chance to experience it firsthand, and I'm excited to share my story with you. From the moment I arrived, I knew I was in for a treat. The warm hospitality, the delicious seafood, and the breathtaking scenery. The beach's commitment to sustainability and ecotourism also impressed me, making it a top choice for travelers who care about the environment. With its picturesque lagoons and stunning beaches, the Maldives truly is a paradise on earth. Summarizing the key points about each beach, it's clear that these destinations offer a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and exciting activities. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or romance, these beaches have something for everyone. So which beach made it to the top of my list? Will you agree with my ranking? Let me know in the comments below. If you've been to any of these beaches, share your experiences and help others plan their dream trip. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and join me on my future adventures.